Hello, my name is Mark Bennett from Jeeves Heated Towel Rails. I'm going to show you how to change a heating element from a left-hand entry to a right-hand entry or vice versa. Firstly, the element cover can be removed by just simply pulling it off, as such. You can then use a wrench or a 22mm spanner to loosen the heating element. Please ensure that the heating element is facing the ceiling, as the rail is fluid filled and we don't want to lose any of the fluid. So you first untighten that and leave it in there. On the corresponding side of the heated towel rail is the extension piece, where you will need to loosen using a 5mm Allen key, the bolt, which is removed. You can then pull off the element cover, exposing a blanking plug. You can loosen this blanking plug with a 24mm spanner or a wrench. Once you've loosened that sufficiently, and again making sure the heated rail this side is facing the ceiling, you can move that and you simply tapping the fluid off, change it across. You will then retighten the element that side, and you will retighten the blanking plug on the other side. Please ensure that you do not add any extra fluid into the heated towel rail. You will now use the element cover that you took off from the other side. Please note that there's a black plastic bush that is supplied in the element cover that is first to be threaded on and over the head of the element cover. If you have misplaced this, you can use a few winds of masking tape, and then simply you redirect the element cord through the element cover and push it up, which will go nice and flush to the heated towel rail. And then similarly, using the extension piece on the other side, you retighten this using the 5mm Allen key. Please observe your local regulations in your area, which will usually call for a registered electrician to disconnect and reconnect the heated towel rail to the mains. Thank you for watching.